Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts using graham. First, gather your ingredients, including graham crackers, milk, and a few other common items. We'll then crush the graham crackers finely to form the base of our donut dough. This method offers a creative twist on traditional donuts, perfect for a quick treat. You'll be surprised how easy it is to achieve a delightful texture and flavor. To start, finely crush about 1.5 cups of graham crackers until they resemble fine crumbs. Next, in a mixing bowl, combine these crumbs with 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk. This will bind our dough together. Then, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter to the mixture, ensuring everything is well incorporated. Mix thoroughly until a pliable dough forms, which should be easy to handle. Once your dough is ready, roll it out on a lightly floured surface or between 2 sheets of parchment paper to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 3-inch round cutter and a smaller one for the center to create your donut shapes. You can either bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes or fry them in hot oil until they are golden brown on both sides. After your donuts have cooled slightly, it's time to glaze them. Whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Dip each donut into the glaze, allowing any excess to drip off. You can also add sprinkles or chocolate drizzle for extra flair. These graham cracker donuts are a delightful treat for any occasion. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.